Hello everyone, Professor Christensen here. Today we're going to be taking a look at a regression analysis example. We're going to use regression analysis in Excel to find the cost formula. And in this case we have maintenance costs for 6 months. We have 6 months worth of data and we have the hours of maintenance. And our goal is to find out how much of that maintenance cost we estimate to be fixed cost and how much of it is variable cost. The ultimate goal is to be able to predict costs for the future for things like budgeting. Okay, remember that we did look at the high-low method, which only uses 2 points, and we also looked at a scatter graph method. The regression analysis gives us the most accurate answer. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to find our fixed costs per month. You're going to be surprised at how easy this is in Excel. So watch these steps, and then when you do the second regression analysis exercise on your own, you'll find it's pretty easy. All right, make sure your final answers have formulas and references in them. Typed in answers are not going to be accepted. All right, so here we go. We're going to go to the function. The function that we're looking for is intercept. Because remember, on our cost volume profit graph, fixed costs are where it hits the y-axis. Okay, so we're looking for the intercept. All right, so this opens up this window. All we need to do is highlight the data that we're looking at. So our y's are going to be the maintenance cost. Click over into the x's, highlight your hours of maintenance. Click OK. All right, so we kind of have a long number. We'll clean that up in a minute. All right, so our fixed cost per month is about $3,582 a month. All right, next we want to find our variable cost per hour. The variable cost per hour is represented by the slope of the line. So we're going to come back up to the functions. We're going to look for slope. Okay, and put in slope. Again, it gives you 2 boxes. We want to put in the y's and we want to highlight the x's. Click OK and you have your answers. Okay, so now I'm going to format both of these as accounting with 2 decimals to be consistent. Okay? All right, so now we're going to type in our cost formula. So our cost formula is our maintenance is equal to $3,581.68 per month plus $7.26 per hour. Okay, so that's our formula. All right, so now remember we said the whole purpose of this is to be able to estimate costs in the future. So now we want to know how much would maintenance cost be in a month in which 100 hours of maintenance are performed. Okay, so remember, fixed costs stay the same no matter what happens as long as we're within our relevant range. So our fixed costs are going to be the same. They're going to be equal to this number here. Our variable cost is $7.26 per hour. So we're going to say equals the $7.26 times the 100 hours, and that gives us our variable cost. Our total cost is equal to the fixed cost plus the variable cost, so this is equal to this plus that. So our total cost in a month when we have 100 hours is $4,307.24. Okay, so now you're ready to do your own regression analysis and evaluate the mixed costs of any other company. Okay, hope you find this useful. Good luck with your future studies.